It's looking good. Hello guys, I am Preeti. Oh shit, I'm supposed to put the mic on. Okay, let's do mic check. Hello, hello. Hello guys, this is Preeti and I am making my first YouTube video. I have no script but I have my plans and मैंने उन चीज़ों को इस डायरी पे नोट कर लिया है जो भी मैं इस वीडियो में बोलने वाली हूँ. तो let's do it. Okay, what I want to tell you guys in my first video is who am I? Who am I? Okay, anyway, I am Preeti and I enjoy expressing myself. I love makeup, I love skincare, I love presenting myself in a certain way. I love sharing my thoughts, I love sharing what I know, I love मैं जो भी सीखूँ ना मुझे लोगों को बताना बहुत पसंद है. सीरियसली मुझे कैमरे के सामने रहना बहुत पसंद है. I love getting all the attention. That is who I am. And who loves doing different things, who likes to dream about having a beautiful life for myself, where I am independent. I have the freedom to buy whatever I want and fulfill my family's dream, basically. Whatever I feel like wearing without worrying about anything in my life. And I have got my dreams and doing this is part of it. It makes me happy, genuinely happy, and that's the only reason I am here filming this video. And what am I here is the second question, I guess. So firstly, like I told you, I love expressing myself, I love sharing my thoughts, and I genuinely want to add value in people's life through my okay. I am at the age of 27 and on the 30th March मैं 28 की हो जाऊँ. आफ्टर 20 जो भी मेरी जर्नी रही इन 7 से 8 सालों की, द लेसन दैट आई हैव लर्नड आफ्टर मल्टीपल टाइम्स ऑफ फेलियर, हाउ आई फील, हाउ आई फेस. शादी के बाद जो चेंजेस आए मेरी लाइफ में, इवन वन सिंगल पर्सन आउट देयर gets hope and inspiration to keep going, I will be super happy. But along with that, I'm not gonna lie, I wanna have like a huge community and I wanna make lots and lots and lots of money. I have no shame saying that I want to make money for myself, for my family, for my dreams. I am here to create content because it makes me happy. And जब मैं कैमरे के सामने होती हूँ, मैं अपनी नेगेटिविटी, जो भी मेरी लाइफ में नेगेटिव चीज़ें हुई हैं या जो भी मैं सोचती हूँ मैं भूल जाती हूँ. मेरे पास्ट के जो भी फेलियर हैं उनको सोच के मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट नहीं होती. एंड विच इज़ ऑल इन द हैंड्स ऑफ माई माता रानी and you guys out there. And third, what is my goal with this? That I told you, my goal is to build a huge community that is amazing and who loves my content, and most important, who loves me. And yeah, that's all. I just want to get in touch with like-minded people through my content, eventually make money. Obviously, who doesn't want to make money? And now, next question is, what are the topics? Seriously, I'm not sure, but I am somebody who loves makeup, who loves skincare, who loves makeup products, makeup skincare products, who loves expressing myself, who loves travel, oh my god, who loves exploring different things, exploring different places and different kind of people. You can say that I am multi-passionate person. I love exploring things through books, through YouTube videos, through travels, through people, through stories. But yes, the only reason I am making this video so that I can push myself to do what I really love doing, so that I can push myself to reach my potential. And that's the reason I'm making this video, guys. It's like first step for me to tell myself that you are not finished. You're not finished. Seriously, you have talent, you have your own thoughts, you have very caring and supportive husband, you have very mature family, and in the future I am trying to create 2 videos per week and shorts as many as I can. I am just gonna create content and let's see what comes. But इतनी गारंटी है कि ये जर्नी बहुत रॉ एंड रियल रहेगी, विदाउट फिल्टर ऑन माई फेस एंड विदाउट फिल्टर ऑन anything. And that's all. This is my first video and I am looking forward to seeing you guys in my next video, maybe, which will be very structured. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like, share and subscribe. Okay, it's fun to say this ना. Instagram का handle जो है मेरे channel के about section में है. Then that's it for this video. Bye.